Hey, look at this bird.
Well, birds aren't living in a nest.
Well, it's probably used for egg hatching.
Because he hatching by a baby bird.
For fear this moment, they're life for the sugar.
Yep.